This one is a
Banana.
banana. Oh, what's this?
Apple.
Apple, very good. Airplane. This one is a
Baby.
baby. How about this one? Natawa lang. What's this?
Duck.
Yes, very good. This is a duck. Okay. How about this one?
This
Sisiu. What's this? This is a car. Very good. Ice cream. Yeah. What's
Carrots.
Carrots. Ito.
Dog.
This one is a dog. Very good. How about this one?
Duck.
Dog. Okay. Very good. Where's the fox? Ah, mabait ba yung fox? Meat. Okay, so this is a fish. And this is,
Lilipat natin.
wait lang, this egg. This one is eye. So, kapag isa lang, eye. Kapag dalawa na, eyes. Eyes mo. Ayun yung eyes. 1, 2.
Tina.
Tenga. Okay, tenga or ears. Pati yung ears. Ears ni Mami. How about your ears? Hawakan. Okay.
Libya.
Zebra. Why are you laughing? What's this? Favorite mo to, di ba? Ito, ano to?
Lips.
Grapes. Okay, very good. And, what's this?
Item.
Wow, ice cream.
Ink.
Ink. And, how about this?
Lion.
Lion, very good.
Cat.
Cat.
Lemon.
Lemon. Ano yung lasa ng lemon? Ano yung lasa?
Item.
Asim. Very maasim. Susi. Ano to?
Sopas.
Sopas. Okay, so sopas yung kinain mo kanina. What's this?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, kumain ka ng orange kanina.
Octopus.
Octopus. Very good.
Kain ka.
Okay, octopus. So next day, bibili si Mami. Kakain ka ha. How about this one? Ano to?
Uy.
Onions. So wait, nandiyan na yung basura. Bye-bye na sa vlog natin. Pupunta tayo sa labas. Bye!